going on, y'all? It's your boy LQ4. Got a little boo-boo spill. Cutlass outside. Why is Cutlass outside? Because we finna go fill that bitch up for the first time with some gas, bitch. Let's go.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey, my seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LQ4. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the videos, all that good stuff. We currently on the road to 10K. We're gonna do a giveaway. We're gonna unveil the tarp. Got a whole lot of good shit coming, man. If you don't know what the tarp is, there's car parts over there in the corner that are under the tarp. No secret meaning, just is what it is. So make sure y'all hit that bell. Make sure you subscribe. Tell your friends about the channel, man. Let's get this road to 10,000 going. Let's get into the video. We are going to try this daring feat. So I'm gonna try to make it to the gas station. I done hit the bar. Shit. Barely. So it's not that much gas in there, but we don't have to go far to the gas station. All we gotta do is get it up the street. I'll probably go through the back neighborhoods and shit. I'm gonna see which gas station is closest, miles wise, and then I'm gonna go from there. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be that one off of the roads. So let's go get some gas. I got my Gas Buddy app here. Tells me the prices, all that good stuff. I don't know if current location. Where I'm at, it looks like either the 7-Eleven or the fucking Valero is gonna be the closest. They both 209, so it really don't even matter. And we got 199 up there. So I'll catch y'all on when we get there, man. I don't even know if we gonna make it. But first, a cold start. Well, it ain't cold. Alright, so of course I gotta record it just in case shit go bad. Just in case. I didn't want to get on the highway, like the straightaway, because then I probably would have been burning more gas. Probably not as empty as it say, but just please, sweet baby Jesus, help me get to the gas station. I must like or love living on the fucking edge, because that's exactly where we at. On the motherfucking edge. I just want to take a moment to say, without this fucking gas tank, this trip wouldn't even be possible. You know, if you had a regular ass gas tank, that fuel would be everywhere. So, shout out to the gas, shout out to the fucking fuel tank for keep fucking hope alive and shit. Alright, I'm finna go this way. Fuck! Please, sweet baby Jesus, because I don't want to break down on the main road. If I break down, Jesus, please let me break down in safety. Alright. I think this is straight to gas station. Yeah, gas station right there. We gonna make it, y'all. We gonna make it, y'all. Alright, let's be real. If I thought I was that fucking low, I probably would have just got a gas can. Ain't no need to be getting out here getting stuck and shit for no reason. Whew, that was exciting. Alright, so we made it up here to the gas station, man. Gonna go on and see how much to fill it up. Went ahead and got the insurance on us, so we good to go. Probably, I was gonna make her do what she do for a little bit. I did not want to fucking do that shit no more. The fucking, what's that shit called? I did not want to have to try to fill that bitch up with a gas can no more. So, bring that bitch up at the gas station. Air shots got that bitch sitting high. Maybe even too high, but you know, we'll adjust it. The beauty of air shots. And then it was out of gas, so the weight of the gas gonna probably bring that bitch down some too, so. Ooh, them cat reflexes, dog. Them cat reflexes. It's only like a 17-gallon tank, I wanna say. Something like that. So, boom. Yeah, that's how much gas we just put in there, 17-gallon tank. You do the math. Motherfucker sound like a grown man coming through this bitch. 6-0. Yeah, nigga. Yeah. So we got a tank full of gas now. So we good to go. Oh, nigga, I'm sorry, like, bro, I can't be enjoying this shit more than the box, nigga. God damn. I can't be enjoying this shit more than the box, nigga. But it's that grown man under this bitch. You know what I mean? Like, I got my nigga swaps and stuff with me. Yeah, nigga. Say, man. It ain't no. Hey, it's a different fucking feeling, nigga. Goddamn right. It's alright though. We in this bitch today. Today, I don't know, like that's just, we probably need to let that ass end down just a little bit, but I don't want that bitch rubbing, so I'm gonna leave it up for now. So I can, nigga, motor by me, installed by me, cam installed by me, nigga, tuned by me with a little bit of help from fucking swaps and the internet, nigga. Yeah. Shit. Oh, there go 12. There go 12. The 12 went that way. 12 getting out, nigga, so this our exit. Alright, so I'm bring this trash can in. as y'all can hear in the background. Oh, see. Oh, cut dog idling. I just changed up some numbers because it was kind of dying when I put it in gear. So I came back home, hooked up the laptop and the wideband. So now I got it to where it's, oh, see, it just died again. Back over here. A little RAM table. So now it's idling back up here. But yeah, before when I was putting it in gear like that, it was leaning out like 16, 17, so I made some changes. So now it's like that, and it's like that in dry, where's it go? So now in drive, it's better. It's not leaning out like it was before. So I'm gonna take these changes I made in HP tuners and go ahead and put them over to the computer, so it'll be good to go. It's just a real-time tuning. Go in there and play with the numbers, man. Shout out to that Hellcat or Hell House Performance. My dog over on Instagram, he put me on the real-time tuning. It's kind of bouncing around a little bit. Let's see. But yeah. I mean, that's just part of the process, you know. When you tune it, man, you just gotta kind of dial it in where you want it, need it to be. And idle is bouncing around by 13, anywhere to 13.1 to 13.67. Stoic is like what, 14 point something, 14.7. So I got a little rich at idle, but I mean, that's the part I'm kind of confused about. Because sometimes it'll stumble through it, sometimes it'll cut off, but that probably got to do with the stall as well. So, or that torque converter. Somebody was telling me that. So, I think it's good for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and write these changes, and then that'll be it for this one, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share. Remember, we got the tarp back there. Coming soon, eventually, when we hit the 10K. So, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.